Hello there, how is everyone? Folks, good afternoon. Great day. Just clearing up. Hello to everybody from Trimax Auto. Folks, just wanted to update you guys on this one. We do have this cap piece that goes right there. 2013 Cadillac CTS Coupe performance and luxury package, completely serviced, of course. Our service manager is a master GM technician as well, 40 years of experience. Folks, these are not, we do have this one also. 76,000 original mile, folks. Diamond pearl white, 3-stage paint, extra clean, super low miles. Cadillac CTS Coupe performance. They come with or without navigation. This one does have the navigation also. The screen will go up and down with a button there. If you don't want to see the screen, it just goes down and it leaves you a little bit of space on the screen. Premium Bose sound system. Power seats on both sides. Full power telescoping steering wheel, in and out, up and down. Information center right there with those buttons. Function buttons on the steering wheel. Clean, folks. Let me see if I can. There's your back seat. I don't think anyone ever sat in it. Plenty of life on the tires, they're like new. 3.6 liter V6. And she is running right now. Very happy car. Everything she needed is done. Let's go to the passenger side, right? Power seats. Back seats from this side. Headliner, sunroof. This is what I was talking about, folks. If you push this button right here, it goes up and down. Here's your owner's manual. Cross-stitched, custom floor mats. That is front and rear. Sunroof controls. And heated seats, cooled seats. That's the cooled version right there. And that's your heated version. Both sides, of course. Keyless entry, that is not a key. And OnStar, if you're an OnStar member. But yeah, door panels, leather. Floor mats, headliner, engine, trunk, everything is happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and close up like I always do. Folks, so they don't make this body style anymore. The value is only going up on them. It's an ageless body style. It really is. I mean, the car still looks new to this day on the road. Get a little bit closer. Extra clean, folks. Just like any other Trimax Auto car. If it's not clean, she won't be a Trimax. Let's go ahead and close these up. Gorgeous color. I mean, when the sun is, I was gonna do the video sooner, but it was overcast. I mean, it's still somewhat overcast, so you guys can really see the diamond pearl white. It's just a gorgeous color. Let's close this side also. you guys can have a full view of the car. More photos, probably close to 100 photos at trimaxauto.com. 757-222-0522. Point of contact is Justin. If you need sales, service, or finance, we'll be happy to help you out. Justin will wrap it up for you. And we have banks pretty much for all types of credit, good credit, bad credit. You just need to let us know what we're looking at, and then we'll try to make it happen for you. And yeah, I'm gonna show the roof for you guys also. Right now the sunroof is tilted, and yes, the sunroof does open. Tinted windows. She's just absolutely gorgeous. Super low miles. And we have the caps for the front and rear. Folks, thank you so much for everything. We are here for you. 757-222-0522. Ask for Justin, and we'll do our best. Without you guys, we wouldn't be in the business since 2007. Thanks for the loyalty. Thanks for all the referrals. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. And you guys have a beautiful, blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye.